In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the password for your PrimeXBT account. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser, and now in the address bar simply type in primexbt.com and press enter. Now click on the login button from the home page at the top right corner and log into your account using your email ID and your password. After logging into your account, you will be taken to the main home page. Now in order to change your password, just hover over to the account icon at the top right corner, and now you will see the drop down menu which has the settings option. Now just click on settings and you will be taken to the settings menu. If you scroll down from here, you will be able to find the change password button. Simply click on it and now you will be asked to enter your current password first before you set up your new password. Just go ahead and type in your current password. Now after typing in your current password, simply go ahead and type in your desired new password and then type it in once again to confirm it. Once you do this, you can simply click on the change button and then your password will be changed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on PrimeXBT. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.